Excited to see his aspirations take off. We are never very far away from checking in with the weather impacts this week. So, of course, we've got a couple of storylines we're following here. We've got some heat, some extreme heat on the way, and of course, right behind you, Brad.
Yeah, Hurricane Beryl. The biggest two stories are the biggest stories, honestly, in weather right now. These two events. We've got the heat heading our way for the 4th, but this early season monster of a hurricane, Category 5, earliest we've ever seen a Category 5, and really all kinds of records being set with this storm as it continues to push across the Caribbean, heading through areas just south of Dominican Republic, Haiti, heading towards Jamaica right now. Jamaica seems to be the area of biggest concern right now. Jamaica is a very mountainous country. If folks that have traveled there, you know how mountainous it is in the inland areas. So this is going to produce some huge rainfall because that upslope or that moisture getting pushed into those mountains tends to enhance the rainfall. Just incredible imagery yesterday from the GOES-16 satellite image. This was yesterday at the peak intensity with these mesovortices, which are small swirls within the eye wall, and you can actually see them rotating around. I had someone on Facebook say it looks like an agitator for a washing machine, and it's kind of what it is in the atmosphere. That sinking air in the middle, the rising air in the eye wall, and that's where the most intense winds are. About 10 nautical miles wide at one point was that eye. 155-mile-per-hour winds. It is racing. 22-mile-per-hour forward speed is pretty quick. That's going to move across Jamaica tomorrow, the Cayman Islands, and eventually the Yucatan Peninsula. Some question on how strong it'll be here. You know, people ask, well, why is it weakening? It's over warm water. Remember, there's other factors that affect these storms. Wind shear, dry air, and interaction with mountains and land will help deter or weaken the system. The question is, how much? And when we look at our future cast of max wind gusts, watch this plow across Jamaica. And because it moves right across Jamaica and those big mountains, if that happens, that could tear the system up slightly, re-emerging over some warm water, affecting the Cayman Islands, and then the big tourist spots in the Yucatan Peninsula. You know, we got Cancun, Playa de Carmen there, Cozumel and Tulum down there. A lot of folks vacation there. This will impact that area on Friday, then re-emerge in the Gulf of Mexico as a weaker system. Now, it's not going to have a direct impact on us because high pressure is going to be camping out over us, and that means hot and dry weather. You see how nice the conditions are right now, and that means the next couple of nights will be in the 60s. Tomorrow, we're back into the low 90s, but the heat risk really cranks up later this week. That's when we see the potential for high heat indices. Now, high pressure parked over us with that heat dome stares Beryl. It's way off the map, not even anywhere near us. So because of the heat dome, that's why we're not going to see anything in the form of any impacts at all, really, from Beryl. Even long term, it stays off to the west as some remnant moisture and might just completely dissipate down in South Texas. But we're going to see the increase in moisture, and not the moisture we want. This is the high dew point air, which is going to drive up those heat indices. In fact, by the weekend, you're going to see feel-like readings about 105 to 110, and that's going to put us in the danger category. Here's a quick look at your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast. We want you to stay weather aware Thursday through Saturday for that excessive heat and heat indices above 105 at times.
Wow. All right, Brad, we'll have to get ready for it. Thank you.